大家好. Today we are going to learn how to make Vietnamese iced coffee. The recipe is super simple. I'm going to show you what you need to make exactly like how you would buy it at the stores. But before we go any further, I'm going to teach you how to say Vietnamese iced coffee in Chinese. The word in Chinese for Vietnamese coffee is越南咖啡. Yuan is the word for Vietnam, and cafe is the word for coffee. So when you put it together, Yuan cafe means Vietnamese coffee. Something interesting, if you break down the word Yuan for Vietnam, Yuan means more, Nan means south. So to a Chinese person, Yuan, more south, means Vietnam. Kind of makes sense, but I actually just made that up. Anyways, now that you learned the word, let's see what ingredients we need and make our coffee. There are only 3 items we will need. First is the coffee filter, then we will need the coffee ground, and then we will need condensed milk. Let's go find these. For Vietnamese coffee, you want this brand, Café du Monde. This is what they use at Vietnamese restaurants. You can see they have the filter right here and all the condensed milk. This is the brand you want, the old man with the white beard. It's a little more liquidy, so it goes better when you do the mix. These ones are very thick, so don't get this one. For iced coffee, Vietnamese style, get this brand, Longevity. We are back, and everything you see here is what we need to make Vietnamese coffee. First, I want to show you what this is. This is called a fin. It's basically a slow dripper for your coffee, and it just comes in a couple pieces: the base, the middle portion, and the cap. So this portion, basically you put the coffee grind in here and you just screw it in. The tighter it is, the slower the drip, the stronger the coffee, which is what you need to make your coffee super strong. And they do come in small, medium, and large sizes. If you don't have access to any local Asian supermarket to find this, they do sell these on Amazon, and I will link it in the description below. You can see it just goes on top of the cup, just like this. Second thing you need is the coffee grinds. So this is the brand Café du Monde. What's special about this brand and to make Vietnamese coffee is the chicory. So it has a very unique taste that brings out the flavor of what Vietnamese coffee would taste like. These are pre-grinded, so you can see it's already grinded into kind of a medium coarse level so it doesn't drop through the filter. Last thing you need is the man with the white beard. So this is the condensed milk that makes it ultra sweet. So I do have a medium size filter. So I'm gonna use about 3 spoons of coffee. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we're just gonna kind of pat it down to make sure it's kind of even. You can see there's a stem where you screw in the middle portion. Alright, we're just gonna screw it in. Make sure it's tight if you want that really strong coffee. Next, we're gonna prepare the condensed milk for the cup. So you can see this brand is a little more liquidy, so it's easy to just pour. So we're gonna do about 2 spoons today. Some people who like it sweeter can do maybe 3. I like about 2. We are at our final part, mixing it together. So we have our cup of ice. We put a lot of ice just because this coffee is pretty strong. We will use about 3/4 cup of ice. And here we go. This is our Vietnamese coffee. 越南咖啡. Alright, mix it around. Give it a taste. Very strong. I'm not gonna go to sleep tonight.